Hi guys and welcome to TechCrix tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to share threads on Facebook posts. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So what we're going to do is to simply open our Instagram threads and then choose a post that you would like to share on Facebook. So when you selected a post already, click on the share button here below the post. And afterwards, what you're going to do is to simply click on share via. Now when you click on share via, choose Facebook afterwards and hit on newsfeed. And basically, you will be simply sharing your threads on your Facebook posts. And that's about it for today's video. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.